Our two blind rescues got adopted. You might remember our fundraiser from last year. Total of 11 kittens from a dumpster, and these 5 were in the worst condition. 5 of the 6 kittens were saved out of 11. Unfortunately, 5 of them lost either one or both eyes. As you can see, they all grew into beautiful, sweet cats. One of them got adopted by their foster in Kazakhstan, and 4 got a chance to come to United States to find their forever families. All these little heroes at the age of around 8 months had a long flight from Kazakhstan to San Francisco via Istanbul, Turkey. By the way, I'm not a professional video maker, I'm just a volunteer who flew these cats, and I beg your pardon for my skills. I just wanted to share with you some snippets of their travel. Hope you enjoy it. Here we are descending to San Francisco Bay Area, and soon we're gonna meet our future daddy. That time we didn't know that. By the way, there is another kitty who is a senior, and he was unfortunately diagnosed with FIV, feline immunodeficiency virus, but that's a different story. This story is about an amazing foster whose name is Mark, who took our kitties, fell in love, and just couldn't resist and decided to adopt them. I hope you'll enjoy his pictures and videos and share our happiness for these 2 blind rescues.
Oh my goodness. These are like therapy cats.
I know.
Oh my gosh. I love that. This is wild. I've never had this type of interaction with an animal.
I know.
It's very
No. Whoa. All right.